Hi everyone, how you doing? Still in Thailand. Yeah, I'm on South Pattaya Road and I was just riding around and just past these little foodie places. And I thought that's where I need to eat more, you know, these side streets, street food if you like. I mean, some of these are not street food, but just up here I'll show you there's a few stalls, you know, and we're going to try another Thai dish. Cheers. These kind of places there just over the road, you'll find them at 5, 6 in the morning still busy with Thai people enjoying their evening. And why not? It's very busy because it's about 5:30 p.m. so this is kind of everyone finishing work traffic. Yeah, so this is what caught my eye. Just literally side street stands. You know, this is as basic as you're gonna get. So I thought, let's go old school. And let's get something off this menu, shall we? I'll just show you the others as well, just to give you an idea. So they're doing the chicken in this one, noodles in this one, and there's a familiar sight. You've got the what I called in Chiang Mai the play school plastic tables and chairs, but that's all you need. Just going to eat some proper Thai food the Thai way and just sit down and enjoy the food, not the scenery. We're not here for the scenery, we're here for the food. So I'm here waiting to order, and then you get this. They come on the pavement because they can't be bothered to wait. So they come on the pavement because they don't want to be in the traffic. Crazy. But anyway, what shall I have? Do you know what? I might have a pad Thai. I've had one pad Thai in Chiang Mai, my first ever, and it just wasn't great. So I might have that again, give it a second go. I mean, I love this. The chicken, curry paste. Actually, no, I've had chili paste. I've not had curry paste. Shall I have that? Decisions. I mean, it all looks so good, doesn't it? But I'm just trying to be different. You know, I've had the minced pork, basil, which is amazing. The fried egg, chicken fried rice, I love. The morning glory I've had, which was amazing. I might have, you know what? Let's have. No, I can't because it comes with rice. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud here. Pad Thai, I think. Chicken pad thai,
Chicken pad thai.
please.
Okay.
Spicy. Thank you. Film this show. Chop a bit of carrot. See, it's good to be able to watch them, I think. That's the chicken. Get the skin off. Nice thin.
Spicy?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Nice and thin. Then goes the chicken and carrot. Sorry, I don't need to tell you that, do I? I missed that. There goes the egg. Sorry, I'm going to shut up. I'll just let the lady do her thing. But for those of you that don't know, they're glass noodles that have just gone in there. Then goes the spice. And that is how you make a pad thai chicken. Thank you, sorry, carbon crab. I'll get it all wrong. I don't know why I find it so hard, but I'll just do. But anyway, this is chicken pad thai, Thai style. Yeah, so when I had it before, I don't know, the glass, they were like really fat glass noodles. So it was a lot of that texture with each mouthful, and I wasn't a fan. But these are a lot thinner. You saw how easy it was. They make it look so easy, don't they? Yeah. Oh. Oh wow, yeah. You get the seasoning, and I'm gonna grab these nuts. That's what they are. A little side order of nuts. You definitely get the spice, which is perfect. But I don't know. It's like a deeper, darker flavour. That is really good. For those of you that didn't see, when I had the pad thai in Chiang Mai, I didn't eat it. Just too many glass noodles, but this. That dark sauce, I'm guessing soy sauce, is really prominent. You know, the softness of them noodles, and then the crunchy carrots, and then I'm going to add these nuts. Wow. That's good. Sorry. Don't watch me eat. I get too many comments saying, "I want to see your face." Well, sorry guys, you're going to have to see it just for a little while because I want you to see my reaction. And those bean sprouts as well add to the crunch. And as you saw, right from the start, everything was fresh. From the chicken down to the spring onions. And this is another example of cheap eats in Thailand. You know, you can have some amazing food for such a small amount of money. Not much editing on this one, guys. That's as raw as it gets because, you know, it was just a matter of, you know, walking up on the side of the street, ordering the food, watching the lady do her thing. From there, 5 yards, sit at a table, and that's it, job done. But just incredible. I'm serious. I've had one pad thai ever, and that was the one in Chiang Mai, and I was really put off by that. It wasn't a good start, but I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, and I thought, you know, because I've not seen those fat noodles anywhere else. So anyway, I thought, let's give it a go. And I'm so glad I did. And it's always enough. You know, you don't need platefuls of food. I mean, I could eat that again. It was really good. Really good. Was it off the charts? Well, I don't know what to compare it to, but it tastes, it's a 10. Because all the flavours going on there, and the crunchiness and the spiciness, and just an amazing dish with, again, so much flavour, and you pick them all out as well, you know. You really do. Got a warm tongue, which is what I wanted. And there you go. So let's finish it here, guys, really, because apart from telling you the price, which I will tell you when I leave, because they don't charge you till the end. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know pad Thai is a very, very, very popular Thai dish, but you know, I never had it until last September. Would you believe? I don't know. I don't know the reason why, but now I'm here. I'm going to try every dish I can possible. There's going to be dishes that I won't try because, for instance, I don't like crab, you know. But hey, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like. Tell your friends, family, colleagues and acquaintances. They might like this channel as well. All about the food. Love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis. And I'll see you on the next one. Wow. Right, well, any guesses what that come to? 70 baht. In today's exchange rate, that's about £1.60. There you go. So, as well as showing you great food and as much Thai food as I can, I'm also showing you the prices and how cheap you can eat. Look at these guys. Just because they don't want to wait. But I keep being reminded, you're in Thailand, so you just got to accept the Thai way. So I am. Even the tiny little kids that get on back of these bikes. I'll give you an example. You know, it's just, it fascinates me. That's the word. I'm not put out by it or I think it's wrong, because guys, you've got to remember that these countries, you know, have come from nothing. So it's bred in them that this is how they get around and it's their daily life. You know, they go to school on the back of scooters with no helmets, and that's what they do. So I'm in Thailand. I have to accept that, and I'm loving it. I really am. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.